Welcome to the class Business Law. I'm Joshua Watunde by name. Table of Content. Introduction. Nature of law. Incorporation of companies. Choosing a business entity. Law of contracts. Offer. Acceptance. Widening. Introduction. Business comprises all profit-seeking activities and enterprises that provide goods and services necessary to an economic system. Law refers to the principle and regulation established by a government applicable to people and enforced by Module 1. Meaning and nature of law. What is law? Law is a system of rules that are created and enforced through social or governmental institutions to regulate behavior. Nature of law. 1. Idealistic. 2. Positivist. 3. Historical. 4. Sociological. 5. Realistic. Characteristics of law. There are various characteristics of law. Out of these characteristics, we list 5 types. 1. Generality. A legal rule must be generally applicable. It should be publicly in practice without any exemption. Law should be applicable to every individual irrespective of class or caliber. It should be similar, qualified, and equal in practice. 2. Promulgation. This refers to official procedure of publishing a rule. It must be known to the general public. Awareness or consciousness of the law existing either through radio, newspaper, or television. 3. Prospectivity. A legal rule is supposed to be prospective all the time. That is, law should operate as a protector against future arising crime and not the back deeds or those committed before the promulgation or enactment. In a nutshell, it simply means that law should not, under normal circumstances, be backdated. 4. Agreement. There should be agreement between the lawmakers themselves, their action, and declared rules. That means to say the government in action should be in conformity with the rules laid down. There will not be any breach to that law and should not do anything that will damage the law by either speech or action. Number 5. Constancy. There should be possibility to obey law. It should not demand impossibility. It should demand higher standard from the popularity. It should be accepted by at least 60% of the people, because if law is impossible to abide, it will be subjected to ridicule. Meaning and definition of business law. What is business law? Business law is that portion of the legal system which guarantees an orderly conduct of business affairs and the settlement of legitimate disputes manner. It establishes a set of rules and prescribed conduct in order to avoid misunderstanding and injury in our business relationship. Scope of business law. We have law of contract, law of sales of goods, economic and other legislation. This is the end of Module 1. Thank you for joining me in this. Meet me in the next module.